Hey guys, welcome back to Pinch of Pink Salt. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this perfect, cozy, and creamy pumpkin soup. It's the right amount of saltiness, the right texture. It's just so nice and warm, and it's the perfect meal to have when it gets really chilly outside. This warms me right up. To get started, we're gonna go ahead and pour in our pumpkin puree. I'm using fresh pumpkin puree. If you'd like my recipe for that, I do have a link above, but you can use canned pumpkin if you'd like. I then added in some veggie broth, and I just mixed this together before I added in my other ingredients. I do have this on about medium heat. Alright, my seasonings are onion powder, chili powder, and some cumin. Alright, I mixed this again. And just so you know, when I was filming this video, I actually was testing this recipe as well. So that's why you might see some layering going on. Alright, and I just added in my coconut cream, and as you can see, I'm just kind of mixing that in. It really adds a nice creamy touch to this pumpkin soup. It makes it nice and smooth, it lightens it up a little bit, and it adds a really nice subtle coconut flavor. For those of you who are not huge fans of coconut flavor coming through, it's there, but it's very subtle, and I think it blends really nice with that pumpkin flavor. The last thing I added was some curry powder. I typically love to add just a little bit of curry to all of my savory dishes, so that's why it's coming in here. And once our soup is nice and hot, we can go ahead and serve. So as much as I'd love to fill this bowl up all the way to the brim, I'm not gonna do it because I really need to get some nice pictures for Instagram and YouTube. So what I'm gonna do to finish it off is I'm gonna spoon on some additional coconut milk to the top to just give it, you know, that nice cafe bistro look. And I'm also gonna pour on or sprinkle on some pumpkin seeds just to finish it off. And this is it, guys. This is my pumpkin soup. It is so nice and creamy. It is savory, not too savory. A little hint of sweetness from that pumpkin and that creaminess from the coconut milk comes through just perfectly. I know you guys are absolutely going to love this recipe, especially during this time of the year. It's all about the soups and the stews, hot chocolates, things like that, things to keep us warm and cozy. This is the perfect soup for that. And don't forget, it is so easy to make. Like, anyone could make this soup. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Until next time, guys, have a great day. Be warm. Bye.